दोस्तों नमस्कार। मैं अमित, आप सबों का अमित टॉक शो में स्वागत करता हूं। दोस्तों आज का सेशन स्टार्ट करने से पहले मैं आप सबों को तहे दिल से थैंक यू बोलना चाहूंगा, क्योंकि आपने हमारे टॉक शो को बहुत ज्यादा प्यार दिया और स्पेशली लास्ट जो एपिसोड था उसमें 2500 से भी ज्यादा व्यूज हमें मिले हैं। सो इसके लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। दोस्तों जैसा कि आप सभी जानते हैं, एवरी एवरी टाइम हम एक नए इंस्पायरिंग स्टोरी के साथ हम मिलते हैं। आज हम जिन शख्सियत से हम मिलने जा रहे हैं उनका नाम है मिस्टर विजय बड़ बड़गबलकर। दोस्तों मैं बताना चाहूंगा, वो एक कंपनी सेक्रेटरी थे। इनको 25 साल का कॉर्पोरेट एक्सपीरियंस रहा है, बट देन he converted himself as a healthcare professional, and what we expect today is he is going to help us to lead us how to live a life fully. So without much delaying friends, let's welcome Vijay sir. Vijay sir, welcome. Please unmute yourself.
Thank you, Amit.
Thank you,
It's
thank you
my
so much.
pleasure. It's my pleasure and privilege.
Thank you
In this
so much,
talk.
sir. I understand now being in abroad, still you take out time for my talk. So that's I'm really thankful for that. And
It's my
I
privilege too.
personally know you. You have a tight schedule. Still, you take out time. I'm really grateful for that. So, सर सेशन को हमारे टॉक को आगे बढ़ाते हैं, डिस्कशन को आगे बढ़ाते हैं। मैंने आपके बारे में बहुत ज्यादा कुछ नहीं बताया। It would be great if you only tell about yourself, so that our viewers will know more about you.
Sure, Amit. Uh, I'm Vijay Vodakbalkar, practicing company secretary. Earlier worked as a corporate company secretary of Jet Airways India Limited and the leading Taj Group of hotels for 16 years prior to that. And now I'm in practice as company secretary since 2000, 21st July 2003. And now, recently, since about November 2018, I'm practicing as a healthcare professional, and I'm a certified diabetes educator from Indo-Vietnam Medical Board, and also NICE expert. NICE stands for Network of Influenza Care Expert, under the leadership of Dr. Bishwarup Chaudhary. And as a team of 750 NICE expert, Amit we have cured 60,000 corona positive cases,
Wow.
and that too with zero medication, zero mortality, zero hospitalization, and zero fees for that. And
That's really
it's
amazing.
indeed it's indeed really heartening to me that part of this thing. I am one of the 750 NICE expert, and very recently, Amitji, we have been recognized by Ayush Ministry of Government of India as also authorized persons on par with doctors to treat corona cases. So that's a good news I want to share at this juncture.
Fantastic, sir. Fantastic. That's quite inspiring. Vijay sir, we'll talk on this in details, of course. But before that, I would like to ask you, uh, as an individual, as a person, how was your journey? Means you basically from Mumbai. What was your family background? How you started, and uh, in your childhood, what all your aspirations were there? And as you said, you have 25 years of corporate experience. You are a company secretary, but then you converted yourself as a healthcare professional. This is something a complete shift, you can say. There is no link between your profession and your earlier profession, earlier career, and now. So what all thing happened? It would be great if you can just tell us in details.
Sure, Amit. And I will run through my journey, how I entered in this new field of healthcare professional. Obviously, it is said that you get what you look for. And that's exactly what happened to me, because at my age 30, I decided to be company secretary. And I was just a graduate, BCom graduate from Commerce College in Mulund College Commerce, and then started my journey as company secretary in 1978. To be precise, January 1979. And I had decided in at that when I was 30 that I will not work for somebody else, and I will work for myself. At my age 45, and as the destiny would have it, as you decide something and if you persist, I gave up my job as company secretary of Jet Airways on 1st of May 2003, you know, and started my journey as practicing company secretary from 1st of July, 1st of June 2003. And here am I. I am still practicing company secretary. I'm a consultant and practicing company secretary to Hindustan Pencil Groups, Natraj and Apsara. You must have heard the name.
Yes, sir.
I'm consultant to them for last now almost 15 plus years.
Okay.
And I'm also their secretarial auditor. So by the way, how did I enter healthcare professional? You know what happened? I always had a challenge. I worked for 16 years with Taj Group of Hotels. So naturally I had put on additional 10 kgs extra weight on my body.
Got it.
And then that to remove those extra 10 kgs, it took me almost 20 years.
Okay.
20 plus years, when I was 45, I entered early 40s, I was conscious of it, that I'm putting on weight, I need to do it. I was a regular student, very sincere student, was conscious, but was not able to take off those extra 10 kgs. On the contrary, I may have put additional 5 kgs. And by the time I had almost 83 kilos of weight, carrying, till very recently, about 4 years back. And then naturally at my age 58, a doctor, my physician prescribed me the blood thinner, Ecosprin AV75. That was the cause of my two gifts were given to me because I had that drug, which I realized 3 years down the line, sometime in January 2018.
Okay.
That because of that statin, Ecosprin AV75 with statin therein, I got high blood pressure and diabetes as a gift, एक के ऊपर दो फ्री.
Oh my
ये
God.
जब मैं डॉक्टर विश्वरूप का 2017 में उनका मैंने वीडियो देखा और उनका एक बुक है which everybody should read, high cholesterol, biggest historical fraud,
Okay.
my eyes opened then that this is not required to be taken, and probably my diabetes and high blood pressure is due to that statin.
Got
That
it.
day, precisely 5th of June 2018, I had thrown that Ecosprin AV75 and my diabetes drugs into dustbin. And I was bold enough because I had realized that food, if you eat the right food, then you don't need to eat medicine, because it is Hippocrates, the father of modern medicine, had said 2000 years back that doctors of the future will not treat human body with medicine, but food thy be medicine. In other words, it was said that if you eat the right food, it becomes medicine. So you don't need to eat medicine separately. And for your information, I also realized, and which is a fact, you can Google it, third largest cause of death today is excessive use of medication. Because what is happening is the doctors are treating the diseases, especially the chronic ones, 4 of them: high BP, heart disease, type 2 diabetes, then stroke, and kidney failure. These chronic diseases, they are treating the symptoms with medication, whereas 2000 years back it is said that if you change your lifestyle, if you change the way you eat, way you breathe, way you think, way you sleep, then you don't need to eat medicine. That medicine, the food becomes itself medicine. Raw vegetables and fruits, they are referring to that. That itself becomes medicine, and you don't need to eat medicine. So that's a message I want to give everybody. I'm very passionate.
That's a great piece of information, sir. In fact, let me just tell you, जो आपको पर्सनल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन हुए हैं, आपने पर्सनल ब्रेक थ्रू आपको जो मिला है, ये सुन के आई एम श्योर हमारे बहुत सारे व्यूअर्स आपको कांटेक्ट करने वाले हैं, बिकॉज आज के डेट में ये एक बहुत बड़ी समस्या बन के आ रही है, दैट इज ओबेसिटी। हर कोई, चाहे बच्चे को देखें, बड़ों को देखें, बूढ़ों को देखें, हर कोई ओवरवेट है। हर किसी को शायद से पता है कि फिजिकल एक्सरसाइज करेंगे या कुछ इस तरह की एक्टिविटी में शामिल होंगे तो शायद वेट घटेगा। शुरुआती दिनों में लोग अपने तरीके से कुछ उपाय भी करते हैं, बट देन जब फायदा नहीं मिलता है तो वो छोड़ देते हैं, एकदम गिव अप कर देते हैं। बट देन व्हाट यू आर सेइंग कि जस्ट बाय चेंजिंग लाइफस्टाइल एंड फूड वन कैन रिड्यूस द वेट, एंड वेट गेन होने की वजह से जो बीमारियां हैं, स्पेशली जो लाइफस्टाइल डिजीजेज जो आपने बताया अभी, चाहे डायबिटीज हो या फिर हार्ट के इश्यूज हैं, ये सारी चीजों पे कंट्रोल किया जा सकता है। सो दैट्स रियली अमेजिंग, दैट्स रियली अमेजिंग। नाउ विजय
जैसे
सर, एक बात बताएं, आपने देखा कि ये समस्या आपके साथ हुई थी, तो और आप मेडिकेशन में भी आ गए थे, एंड जब आपको ये पता चला कि मेडिसिन से परमानेंट सॉल्यूशन कुछ होने वाला है नहीं, तो आपको जब ये डॉक्टर विश्वनाथ चौधरी के बारे में पता चला, उनके ट्रीटमेंट की स्टाइल के बारे में पता चला, तो आप उनसे जुड़ गए। तो ये तो हुआ सर कि चलो आप कहीं ना कहीं मतलब अपने लिए एक तरीके से जुड़े थे। आपको आपकी जो समस्याएं थी उनसे आपको छुटकारा पाना था, निजात पाना था। बट यू टर्न योर सेल्फ एज ए हेल्थ केयर प्रोफेशनल। इसके पीछे क्या स्टोरी थे, मतलब क्या कुछ चला आपके दिमाग में? हाउ
sure,
हाउ
sure, sure. There is cause for every result that one sees in one's life, you know.
राइट
जैसे कि हम ब्रह्म विद्या में सीख चुके हैं, हर एक परिणाम जो हम देखते हैं उसके पीछे कोई कारण होता है। जो हमें कारण पता नहीं चलता है, हमें खाली परिणाम देखते हैं। हम लोग सब परिणाम देखते हैं, कारण अपने पास ही है। I am the architect. It is whatever I am today is because whatever I have thought up till now so far. So
राइट
I am the sum total of what I have thought till date. Now, ये इसके लिए रीजन ये है कि my own mother passed away because of diabetes and
आई
renal
सी,
failure. You know, ultimate
ओके,
cause was she had to take insulin, and the insulin affected her kidneys, and she had to live her life at her age 70. I was always inquisitive about, of why is it happening? What is it that, and then at the back of my mind, I had that thought, negative thought, that because my mother had the diabetes, I may get one. And which I did get, because it is my thoughts, negative
गॉट इट,
thoughts, that
यस
has
यस,
I have invited the trouble for me. So I am the cause for it. So how can I remove the cause? And I was always looking for solution for that. And that is where I was always in search of it. And when you search something, if you persist and don't give up, you get the solution. And I'm so happy and glad that I got the solution, and 100% solution. इसके पीछे एक अमेरिकन डॉक्टर एंड सन, फादर एंड सन साइंटिस्ट, डॉक्टर टी कॉलिन कैम्बल करके है सर।
ओके,
उनका एक चाइना स्टडी करके बहुत बड़ा स्टडी है, जहाँ पे उन्होंने सम 75 प्लस आर्टिकल्स, रिसर्च आर्टिकल्स लिखे हैं कि कैसे फूड, ये raw vegetables and fruits is a medicine, and if you eat that, then and if you less time you spend in the kitchen cooking the vegetables, then less disease condition you have on your body. So uska ye mere ko jab ye acha laga, though it is very difficult to implement that. I mean, let me tell you, I had my own challenges, but the moment I listened to first, and let me also give credit to Dr. Jagannath Dikshit,
ओके,
who's, he has introduced, that was the beginning of my journey in this getting well.
जी,
January 2017, Dr. Jagannath Dikshit had started 2 meals plan, and that meant you eat only twice a day instead of 3 or 5. We tend to eat, every 2 hours something or the other, and we tend to eat 6 to 8 times a day. Dr.
गॉट इट,
Jagannath Dikshit had, first time introduced a concept of only 2 meals a day. When only when you are hungry, you eat twice, maybe at 10:30, 11 o'clock, and 7:30 in the evening, or 12 o'clock in the afternoon and 8 o'clock in the evening.
Got it.
The day I started adopting that, a miracle happened. I lost almost 10 to 11 kilos of weight in a span of 12 months without anything additional exercise being done. That means what I was doing was, which I realized later on, I not only ate only 2 meals a day, so insulin secretion was happening limited, because when you eat 7 or 8 times, each time the insulin is prepared and released in the body. So if it is the cause of diabetes is excess release of insulin from the body, which is not doing its job because of excess fats in the muscular cell. You know,
Okay.
the fats in the cell is sitting on the receptor, which is not allowing the glucose to enter, and allowing insulin to act as a key, because the key works like a chewing gum. And can you, if you put in the lock chewing gum, can the key open the lock? Certainly not.
No.
So is the excess fat in the body not allowing the receptors to allow glucose to convert it into energy through the insulin. That is the thing when I realized, and the solution is so simple. You have to melt your excess fats of your body. So you don't eat, don't eat the raw vegetables and fruits. Less of the cooked food. If you eat naturally, you will automatically drop the weight, supported by theory of intermittent fasting. Meaning
Got
what?
got
I started eating 10:30 in the morning, my brunch, breakfast and lunch together,
Okay.
and at 6:30 in the evening. Then next day, at 10:30 again brunch. So between 6:30 p.m. and 10:30 a.m., there is a gap of 16 hours. So
Yes.
I used to fast for 16 hours. Okay, though
Gotcha.
part of the time I was sleeping. But the point is, the fact remains that 16 hours I was not putting anything in my mouth. That together with started eating right food, the miracle happened. A window of 8 and 16, if you can follow, which Jains follow and many other people do follow, I became like a Jain with my neighbor. And that is the real eye opening for me, because the excess fat just dropped, and the more of the excess fat was visceral fat, which is a bad fat, which is causing all those high BP and diabetes and things like that. So that is this is my journey, and this is how I became passionate. Then I met Mr. Dr. Chaudhary in a Bhopal in 19th March. I mean 19th. I mean in third week of March,
Okay.
2019. I attended his international conference, where I also handshook Dr. Vimal Chajjar, and that was real eye opener for me. And I started my practice then seriously as a diabetes educator, and even treating other people and friends, mostly friends and relatives. And I could get success like anything. Like a 15-year old, I'm 15-year-old diabetes and blood pressure. My CA
Oh my
friend,
God.
yes, Mr. Sharad Jain had. The
Okay.
day he started, within 3 months, he stopped all his medication for blood pressure and diabetes, and he dropped 3 kilos of weight in a month, and he's so happy. His video is live video is on my website.
Sure, sure.
Yeah.
So we'll definitely share all those things to our viewers so that they will come to know more about the kind of breakthroughs your maybe the friends or I won't say the patients, but the people who get interacted with
Sure, and
you.
it is Amit. It is not just me. It's a science, 50-year
Yeah.
old science, and
Okay.
that is being practiced, by MD doctors like Dr. Neil Bernard, Dr. Esselson, who even treated the ex-president of, Bill Clinton. And he, after the second bypass and putting two stents, he in 2010 he stopped his eating non-veg food, and he said, "I want to see my grandchildren. I want to play with them, and I want to live longer." The very
Wow.
fact that even after having a bypass surgery and I had to put again stents, that means there is my arteries are getting clogged. So
Correct.
let me try this the whole food, which is a vegetarian food, whole food plant-based diet of Dr. T. Colin Campbell. and others are getting success. So let me try. And he is also succeeded. His live CNN interview of 9 minutes. Really, I play when I do the webinars, and I make inspire my prospective clients who
Yeah.
want to eat the right food and add 10 years to their life. So certainly, I would
That's
love to do that.
really amazing, sir. Sir, here I want to ask you one thing. You are talking about having raw foods and veg and all, but आज के डेट की जहां तक बात है, अगेन थोड़ा सा ऑर्गेनिक फूड्स एंड इन सब की बहुत ज्यादा चलन हो रही है बिकॉज ऑफ मिलावट एंड ऑल. सो इसके बारे में आप क्या कहना होगा? मार्केट में जो मिल रहा है वो तो प्योर है नहीं. अभी क्या वो उसमें आई डोंट नो क्या क्या केमिकल डला है या जो भी डला है, अभी उसको खाने से ही हमें क्या सारे सप्लीमेंट्स मिल जाएंगे या फिर हमें इसके साथ कुछ फूड सप्लीमेंट भी लेने की जरूरत है?
Good question, Amit. And everybody who starts his new journey on this plant-based diet, his first question or concern is, what about calcium? Where will I get calcium? If you are saying animal products, including milk products, to be stopped, how will I get calcium? But do you know that the plants has those calciums? Those supplements you don't need, but there are certain supplements like vitamin D and vitamin B12 you may need to supplement, no doubt, in a vegetarian food you may need to take. But apart from that, when you take supplements in terms of protein powder and or any other A, C, E vitamin, then the research or the study shows, which Dr. Bishwarup very clearly shows in his videos, and so also other MD doctors from US, they have been advising their patients, is that when you take, the food in natural form, whereas what is supplements, they are in a powder form or a tablet form, then it is not giving those benefits. On the contrary, there are cases where these excess vitamins and this thing has caused cancer. It is so dangerous. So it is not, I mean, of course, I'm not a doctor, as I want to clarify here. I'm just, a diabetes educator, because I have taken a particular training. The way if you change your food, and I have made more study on that rather than, so I don't know about medicine. I am not anyway authorized to talk about. You should, or everybody should consult his own or her physician,
Sure.
and before he embarks upon this new journey, and especially if he is already taking medication, then he, before leaving any medication, whatever I may say, they should consult their physician, because it's all about their health, and I don't want them to take any chance on this count. But as I told you, we have been told, history has shown us the way. And I have, to limited extent, as a children's course teacher of Brahma Vidya and as a sincere student of Brahma Vidya, I
Okay.
know, Amit ji, what I want to give a message here is, there is a divine power within you and me. When I say you and me, every human being.
Yeah.
And that divinity which I am referring to is nothing but the healing power that the body has within. And
Got
but
it.
what are we doing with our own bad habits of eating, sleeping, and not doing exercising is, we are not allowing body to heal by itself. For example, what I mean is, nowadays most of these youngsters are sleeping at not before 12 midnight, you know and then what is happening is, they don't listen to body's rhythm, or body's
Yeah.
body's from within. What is happening is, you need a complete rest in terms of quality sleep from 11 p.m. to 4 a.m. And if you're not sleeping during that time, and if you're, especially you're eating 6-8 times a day, then your body's energy, prana energy, has to work extra in the night, only to digest the food that you have eaten. Where is the time to heal for body?
Correct.
That is where the role of intermittent fasting or fasting is become so popular and so scientific, that in 2018 Nobel Prize has been given to two doctors,
Okay.
on the subject of intermittent fasting. That if you fast waterless, if you remain waterless for 20 days in a year, then the body develops the T cells, which has power to kill 1,000 cancer cells. Cancer cannot remain in your body. If you do, that is called Ekadashi in our religion. It's very spiritual, scientific, and it is guiding you at every step.
Okay.
So, but are we following it? Our ancestors had followed it, and then they had not got this kind of sickness. All this BP, diabetes, and all these sicknesses where were they 60 years now earlier? There was nothing
So
like that.
yes, yes,
Isn't
so
it?
true, so
So
true. तो
you need to
आपने
think
ये बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट बात कही विजय सर. इनफैक्ट आपकी इस बात को मैं अपने व्यूअर्स को बोलना चाहूंगा. फ्रेंड्स, हमारा जो ये बॉडी है, ये अपने आप में एक हीलिंग मशीन है जो सेल्फ हील करती रहती है. बट इसका अपना कुछ साइंस है, उसे हमें समझने की जरूरत है. प्रॉपर एक लेवल का रेस्ट चाहिए, स्पेशली आप जब फूड लेते हैं. फूड लेने के बाद इतना आवर्स का जो स्लीप होता है, सो इस दौरान आपको बॉडी को रेस्ट मिलता है और उसी दौरान ये रेस्ट भी करता है, हीलिंग भी करता है, सेल्फ हीलिंग करता है. सो अगर उन सारी चीजों को प्रॉपर टाइम नहीं मिलता है तो ये दिक्कत होती है. देन उसका रिएक्शन हमें फिर बॉडी को देखने को मिलता है. राइट विजय सर?
perfect. In fact, I want to add here, Amitji,
Yeah.
The very fact that as a NICE expert, network of influenza care expert,
Yeah.
How did we manage to cure 60,000 corona patients, positive cases? It is documented. It is not my figures I am throwing out of it. There is a Corona Call. There is a book issued, published already on the subject, where each and every case we can show you, and there is a proof of it. The point I am driving home is it is the principle of fasting. If your body's healing capacity is there within you, and if I allow body to heal by itself, meaning thereby, if you get a viral fever, corona fever, all you need to do is 72 hours you need to fast. You don't eat the hard food. You only take a lot of water as well as C vitamin, means संतरा मौसम्बी का juice ले लो. Okay, कितना ले लो उसका भी, there is a measurement of that,
Okay.
And I'm not going into all the details, but the point I'm driving home is we have done that and it has worked out successfully in each and every case. So that is the science we have used. The food as a medicine, that is, we are asked body to rest and allow itself to heal. There was a case of one child, 11-year-old from North India. And I don't want to name a child or this thing. Point I'm driving home. 5 days, his mother was pestering me. Vijay sir, अभी उनका बुखार कम नहीं हो रहा है. अभी क्या मैं पैरासिटामोल दे दूं? मेरे को बहुत प्रेशर है. मेरा हस्बैंड बोल रहा है, मेरे सिस्टर्स बोल रहे हैं. I said, madam, I told you when you came to me day one that please, you have two ways to address this problem. You go through medical route, then you don't come to me. And if you come to me, we are telling you it works in every case. You need to be patient. And she has put a video, Amit ji, abhi wo bhi mera website pe live hai video. Okay. And that anybody can see it. The point I'm driving home is it is a science. And if we don't believe in ourselves, that divine power, that's where I'm coming to again a point that join Brahma Vidya, because Brahma Vidya is nothing but Brahma means God, Vidya means knowledge. We are being imparted knowledge how there is a divinity within your body. And that is why we teach 8 spiritual breathing exercises and also how to change our negative thoughts into positive thoughts, for which we need to practice meditation. So if we spend 40 minutes out of 1,440 minutes, everybody has got 24 hours multiplied by 60. You need to invest 40 minutes to practice 8 spiritual breathing exercises for 20 minutes and 20 minutes, 10 minutes in the morning, 10 minutes in the evening meditation. For just do that, you are empowered. There cannot be a disease remaining within you, because when the body and mind is so strong, and when there is already a healing capacity from within, which you won't experience unless you join Brahma Vidya, and just doing the course won't help you unless you make it a daily habit of practicing those breaths and meditation, which I can confidently say it has made a difference in my life because I do that.
Correct. So true. In fact, that's why it is being said, doing is knowing is nothing, doing is everything, right? So
Perfect.
जानना एक बात है, बट उसको अगर आप इम्प्लीमेंट नहीं करते हैं तो इट्स वेरी मच लाइक सिमिलर टू नॉट नोइंग.
वो ट्रायंगल में मैं और एक चीज ऐड करना चाहता हूँ.
श्योर.
Knowing is one thing, knowledge is power only when implemented. That is the
या
second aspect. And the third aspect, most important aspect, is not only you learn and do yourself, but teach others.
क्या बात है, क्या बात.
That is where if you do, then you become master.
So I think you are on the same track. First आपने
Yes,
सीखा, खुद पे
yes.
इम्प्लीमेंट करा, एंड जब आपको फायदा हुआ, now you are in the journey of giving. So
That's
Vijay
why
sir, yeah,
Amit ji, my mission. I want to share.
I'm coming to that, sir.
Okay,
I'm
okay.
coming to that. So
Okay.
Vijay sir, in fact मैं आपके ही लाइफ पे वापस आना चाह रहा था. 25 साल का कॉर्पोरेट एक्सपीरियंस, ऑफ कोर्स फिजिकल लेवल पे जो भी चैलेंजेस हुए, हेल्थ रिलेटेड इश्यूज हुए, एंड यू केम टू नो अबाउट दिस साइंस एंड यू गेट बेनिफिट आउट ऑफ इट. बट स्टिल ये सोचना कि ये जो फायदा मुझे मिला है मेरे तक नहीं रहना चाहिए, ये लोगों तक भी पहुंचना चाहिए. एज ए हेल्थ केयर प्रोफेशनल आपने एक नई जर्नी स्टार्ट की. सो जब भी कोई नई जर्नी स्टार्ट होती है, नॉर्मली इजी नहीं होता है, हर चीज के अपने चैलेंजेस होते हैं, एंड उस पे भी अभी मोर देन 3 इयर्स का एक जर्नी स्टार्ट हो चुका है, एंड आई एम श्योर यू आर ऑन राइट ट्रैक नाउ. 1000 डेज बोला जाता है कोई भी बिजनेस को के लिए या किसी भी नए चीज को नेक्स्ट लेवल में लेके जाने के लिए. अगर आपने 1000 डेज कंप्लीट कर लिया, मीन्स यू आर ऑन ट्रैक बोल सकते हैं. अब
I did a party, 1000 days celebration party here in California with my grandson.
Okay.
On completing 1000 days, exactly on 5th of June 2021, to be
Okay,
precise.
great. So say here I want to ask you. So how is the journey so far? Means to say, what were the challenges? And yes, during those challenges, how you tackle those challenges, and how is the journey so far? अभी तक का जर्नी कैसा चल रहा है, कैसा?
Amit ji, any journey, life is all about giving. Human birth is all about giving. I am already 64 years young, and this second innings is all about giving. What I have earned enough in terms
क्या
of,
बात?
in every area I am successful. Both my daughters are already very well placed. One is a doctor, one is an engineer.
Okay.
And both my son-in-laws are also in US, and I'm a very happy person. I have 2 grandsons, and I'm from each angle I'm very happily lived my life. So now is the time to give, and that is where I have started this new journey of enlightening, empowering, and inspiring what I got to give to others. Therefore my 3-way recommendation is join Brahma Vidya, become a Rotarian, because Rotary director Bharat Pandya, Rotary International Director,
Okay.
we have started in India 2 years back this same positive health concept, where he says everybody should participate, should know his or her 4 numbers. What is your weight? What is your blood pressure? What is your sugar? And what is your BMI? You must know these numbers, and if you have not checked it, go and check it with your physician, take his help. And if they are not above normal, then there is a mission he has started, char chamach kam, char kadam aage, meaning thereby he says the 4 non-communicable diseases are, excess weight, obesity, high blood pressure, heart disease, then diabetes type 2, and your stroke and kidney failure.
Okay.
And he says the causes for all that, a doctor saying this, and a Rotary International director, and he's an Indian, Bharat Pandya. So you must listen to him, and for that I invite you to become a Rotarian. I'm Rotarian for the last 11 years now.
Okay.
The point I'm saying is, Rotary is all about giving, by the way, and there is a Rotary fund, and which does 95% or 98% of the money that it collects is used for the purpose for which it is collecting. So the point I was driving home is Bharat Pandya ji is advising everyone to pass this message on to the every member of the community, especially to your near and dear one, your society members and all, that if anything is wrong with your numbers on these 4 of these numbers, then you need to take care of in terms of SOS, your salt consumption, your oil consumption, and sugar consumption. Sugar is a poison. So SOS, remember this word SOS. Salt, oil, and sugar you should reduce by 1 chamuch, and 4 kadam aage means you should do some kind of exercise every day.
क्या
You know,
बात है.
so ये उनका
That
मैसेज है
is a
सबके
great
लिए.
input, sir. Yeah.
हाँ, so ये सबके लिए मैसेज है, and I am a follower of his, and I am a part of Rotary. I love my Rotary meetings because every meeting I come to know from expert, from the field who is expert. We have half an hour meeting, 20 minutes meeting, and then 20 minutes question and answer session. It's a lovely thing. So I will invite you next time when I'm back in India, for our Rotary Club. Amit ji, you
Surely,
should
surely.
attend.
I love to be part of it, sir.
Sure.
Yeah. So Vijay sir, the question वही रह गई. अजय, हेल्थ केयर प्रोफेशनल, अभी तक की जर्नी आपकी कैसे रही?
It is very enjoying, enlightening, and I'm doing every week a webinar where I just charge 199 rupees, and it is available on the Facebook, and I formed a private Facebook group and opened a WhatsApp group for that, specially those who are interested to know what I'm talking.
Sure.
I invite them to join me in my WhatsApp group, and then I conduct 4 days, 90 minutes Zoom sessions, fun, live, engaging, where I educate them on all these 4 areas, and tell them how to develop 5 new habits to change your breath, how to change your eating, exercising, how to change your thinking, and unless you change your habits, and changing habits is not so easy as you're asking me.
Yeah.
But so what? If you jab jago tab savera,
Correct.
you know about it, and it is your life. And if you don't take care, you know what the result is. So why not try? Why not give a good effort, so that what I'm asking you to do is change your habits and add 10 years of good life to you, and also attract abundance. Because when there is no disease, everything is energy, and energy is everything. So we are
Energy.
talking about your body's energy. How can we sustain it? How can we experience divinity within us by changing our habits? It's all about it.
So true, so true. That's really amazing and quite inspiring, sir. And here I would like to address our viewers again on behalf of you. As you said, that you are there for everybody, and with a very minimal cost, you are there to help each and every person, whether one individual is maybe taking medicine or not. So दोस्तों, अगर आप मेडिसिन ले रहे हैं तो आप मेडिसिन फ्री लाइफ जीना चाहते हैं, विजय सर इज देयर. अगर आप हेल्दी हैं बट आप चाहते हैं कि इन फ्यूचर में भी आपको किसी तरह की डिजीज ना हो, सो अगेन विजय सर इज देयर. एंड आप उनका डेडिकेशन इसी बात से समझ सकते हैं कि बीइंग देयर इन यूएस, ही हैज बीन टू हिज डॉटर प्लेस, वहां से भी अपने पेशेंट्स को, अपने क्लाइंट्स के साथ डील कर रहे हैं, एंड एवरी वीकेंड्स वेबिनार के थ्रू से लोगों को कनेक्ट कर रहे हैं. सो इससे अच्छी बात और कुछ हो नहीं सकती है. विजय सर, इट्स रियली अमेजिंग दैट इट्स लाइक यू कन्वर्टेड योर पैशन इनटू प्रोफेशन, एंड ये अगर कोई कर लेता है तो उससे अच्छा कुछ नहीं होता है. ठीक है, यू आर ए कंपनी सेक्रेटरी, आप चाहते तो उस चीज को भी आगे बढ़ा सकते थे. इनफैक्ट स्टिल,
by the way, Amit ji, I want to interrupt you. I am still a company secretary. That is my excellence.
no, that's what I'm saying.
I'm practicing now.
कर ही रहे हैं, still you are practicing, but then you come out with something new and you started loving it, and when you loved it, it's like
obviously, yes.
अब आप उसको एक अगले लेवल पे लेके जा रहे हैं.
Yeah, so, I love inspiring, educating. That's my mission: inspire, educate, and empower. 100,000 people. 100. It's a small number. I can't do it alone. I need people like you to get inspired that you can have a good health without medicine, and that you take the help of your doctor. I'm not saying, believe me, no, don't listen to me. Be skeptical. go to your doctor, and I'm telling you, you do it 72 hours and see the numbers for yourself, and then take the matter to your doctor, and subject to his advice, you do and take action, because it's all about life. And where anyway your physician, medical doctor has a upper hand, you may take a suggestion or advice or research done on the subject, you and ask your doctors questions. Why should I take this medicine? Why not try this route? And then see what he says to you. I'm sure they will also help you. Why not?
Sure, sure. Sir, here I want to ask you that you have a long career, first 25 years, but then now again 3+ years in as a healthcare professional. So, what is the secret of your success?
You mean the energy and the longevity? I'm just 64. I tell my grandson also, I'm just 4 years young, not 64.
Okay. So that itself is a biggest thing, considering yourself 4 years old, being at 64.
Yeah, why not? Why call old? Why not call young? That's a
Yeah.
learning of mine from Brahma Vidya again. I know I'm repeating Brahma Vidya, Brahma Vidya, Brahma Vidya. But
Okay.
you really need to join the course to know. It's a charitable institute. As a teacher, we don't charge, we don't get anything. It's a charitable organization. Our Guruji, Jayan Divekar sir, has done such an excellent job. He's IITian, I am Bangalore, and the man has totally, he could have turned post retirement, he could have run his own company, but instead of doing that from age 26, now he's senior to me by a couple of years more, I think. So he's doing that passionately. मेरा तो कुछ नहीं है सर, अमित जी, मेरा तो अभी beginning है.
Right.
And I'm just there's nothing, because this body is not human body, is for others and not for you.
Right.
And therefore whatever you can do, howsoever you can spread the light, and howsoever you can spread the message, right message, which truth always will prevail, whatever the anybody will say, so
That's a great gesture, sir, and so nice of you. Like it shows your kindness and your humbleness. But the message what I am getting out of your saying is, energy is everything, and everything is energy. If you are full of energy, then that itself is a big reason for your success. That's what I'm getting out of your conversation. You are full of energy. At this age also, you are full of energy, and you are in a position, or you can say you are completely devoted yourself in giving. So मुझे एक बात याद आती है, लोगों को सिर्फ चाहिए होता है, लोग सिर्फ रिसीव करने में बिलीव करते हैं, देने में बिलीव नहीं करते हैं. बट होना चाहिए उल्टा. आप अगर देना चालू करें तो बाय डिफॉल्ट आपको मिलना चालू हो जाएगा. इस फिलोसॉफी को अगर लोग समझ जाएं तो लाइफ में टर्न अराउंड हो सकती है. राइट.
Yes, Brahma Vidya, by the way, promises one's eternal youth.
Okay.
And what are you waiting for? I mean, that's a message, another message I have to give to the people, that it is all about giving, and you need to experience the energy within you, and for that you need to empower your breath. So the starts from, don't think too much about it. You need to empower your breath as well as thought by joining Brahma Vidya at earliest. And then eating food, as I am saying, it's a science already. Read that China study book and become your own doctor. Don't your own brain tells you when there is a body ache. So your brain should be a pathological lab and not go every time to and do blood tests. So be happy, be eat the right food, breathe right, think right, and there cannot be a disease remaining in a body.
Fantastic. That's really great. Sir, एक बात बताएं. I mean, मैं फिर से आपके लाइफ में आ रहा हूँ. So 3-3.5 साल पहले जब भी आपने ये जर्नी स्टार्ट किया एज ए हेल्थ केयर प्रोफेशनल, चैलेंजेस आपने ऑलरेडी शेयर किए, बट स्टिल एक होता है ना कि जब हम कोई नया चीज स्टार्ट करते हैं, हम कितने भी एनर्जेटिक हो, पॉजिटिव हो, बट मन में कहीं ना कहीं रहता है कि ये तो मेरा प्रोफेशन नहीं था. My identity was something different. I am a company secretary, but now I am taking this or I am interested to. So हम श्योर नहीं होते हैं कि इसमें मुझे सक्सेस मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा, थोड़ा सा अनश्योरिटी कहीं ना कहीं रहती है, ठीक है। हो सकता है आपको इसके सक्सेस से कोई लेना देना भी नहीं था, बट स्टिल द क्वेश्चन इज, वो कौन से मोमेंट आए आपके लाइफ में पिछले 3 साढ़े 3 सालों में, जब आपको लगा कि दिस इज द मोमेंट, द आहा मोमेंट ऑफ लाइफ बोलते हैं ना, कि ब्रेक थ्रू मोमेंट, कि अब जो है आई एम ऑन राइट ट्रैक और मुझे शायद आप पीछे मुड़ के देखने की जरूरत नहीं है, दिस इज द साइंस एंड इट्स रियली वर्क्स एंड इट इज गोइंग टू टेक मी टू द नेक्स्ट लेवल?
Number one, Dr. Jagannath Dikshit's 2 meals a day program. After practicing it, 2 meals and walking for 45 minutes, I dropped 10 kilos in year 2017. Number two, in March 2019, when I met Dr. Vishwarup Chaudhary, I was hesitant in starting practicing out, telling friends and others, because if I'm not a doctor, how the hell I can tell yaar कि अमित जी आप भी ये करो, आपको डायबिटीज का मेडिसिन नहीं लेना है. I cannot tell. I don't have any authority. But the moment I met that gentleman, Dr. Vishwarup Chaudhary, who is he's not a doctor. He's a doctorate in naturopathy. Okay, but the guy openly says what 10.5 lakh physicians could not do in India. I have touched the lives of 20,000 diabetics patients, and they are off medication, and they are now happy people. So the point I'm saying is that was again second miracle in my life when I, in March 2019, when I had attended 4 days conference, and I listened to Dr. Vishwarup, and he was addressing diabetes educators 300-400 in one room. Apart from the 5 hours conference, he was giving 2 hours to us to answer our doubts, queries, and all that. There, one doctor had come. He was from his US. He had come to just meet this gentleman. Who is this guy? Whereas doctors are performing surgeries and all, and this guy is saying eat right food and get out of you don't need to do heart surgery. So who is this guy? The guy, that is how when I met him, and when Dr. Bimal Chhajjar, who had given up his heart surgeries way back 20 years back, and he has written several books on how you should use zero oil concept. उनका website है सावल करके, Science of Art and Living. आप जरूर सब I would recommend every viewer who is watching this thing, go to his website and see why is he saying zero oil? Why is Dr. Bharat Pandya saying zero oil? Why is Neil Bernard is saying zero oil? So there is something in it, because it's so obvious that a fat gives 9 calories, carbohydrate gives only 4 calories. So you stop getting extra fats, because body is also storing, if you have extra calories in the body in terms of fats. So, and if those fats are converted into bad fats, namely visceral fats, you are in trouble, my dear friend. So this is again, that was a aha moment when I met Vishwarup Chaudhary as well as Bimal Chhajjar on the one platform.
Okay, that's
that
really
I said
fantastic.
I must. There is nothing now I will stop me, and let me start. My journey. Whether somebody listens to it, otherwise, the charity always begins at home. So me and my wife are very happy. So is both the daughters, and they are copying me to some extent on this. And now I'm in my webinars, I'm getting more and more inquiries and queries, and to adopt this healthy lifestyle.
That's really fantastic, sir. Sir, बात करते हुए आपके साथ मतलब समय का पता ही नहीं चलता है, बिकॉज आप जिस तरीके से इतना इंटरेस्टिंग वे में सभी चीजों को बता रहे हैं, एंड दैट्स रियली साउंड्स गुड एक्चुअली. तो हम चाहे तो इस पे और लंबी बातें कर सकते हैं, बट हमारे पास समय का लिमिटेशन है. मैं जानना चाहूंगा कि लोग अगर आपसे कनेक्ट करना चाहें तो किस तरीके से कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं. व्हाट ऑल प्लेटफॉर्म्स आर देयर वेयर एक्चुअली यू आर अवेलेबल, एंड व्हाट आर द वेज?
Sure. As I shared with you, I have very recently started conducting these 4 days, 90-minute session of a Zoom live session. So I form WhatsApp group, and I also form the people who actually become my customers. Then I form private group or Facebook group. I share with them. I promise them I have a healthy lifestyle formula in terms of 20 videos, which is already available as a digital products. But my experience has been people pay money for it. I am not wanting their money, but they don't even listen to those videos. Forget about implementing them. That's my experience. So I have changed the methodology to implement that in another form. Like I'll ask them, I have converted into first level, second level, third level, and then I give them support, not only for 12 months in their new journey of adopting healthy lifestyle and inculcating these new habits. And it takes time to change that. So till that time, I will have a weekly meeting with them and guide them on their challenges that they face. And all these 12 months, I am holding their hand literally. And if
Okay.
they do so, many of my customers from India and abroad, they already have successfully overcome these challenges and drop medication, especially on two grounds for certain, on high BP and diabetes, and in a matter of 90 days. In a matter of 90 days.
Got it, sir.
So they can join my Facebook group and WhatsApp group. And I have my website, vijayvadakbalkar.com, and healthy lifestyle, lifestyle-mastery.com. These two websites I've devoted. I've started last 10 weeks. Every 15 days, I'm putting at least one article, one blog on these two websites of mine. So that is also giving a free education on whatever I am talking just now.
That's fantastic, sir. सर लास्ट में हमारे कस्टमर हमारे व्यूअर्स के एंड से एक क्वेरी आया है, वो हम आपसे जानना चाहेंगे. सो बेसिकली ये इनका पूछना है कि अगर किसी को कोरोना का इन्फेक्शन हो चुका है, सो व्हाट आर द प्रिकॉशन ही और शी शुड टेक, नंबर 1. एंड नंबर 2, कोरोना का इन्फेक्शन ना हो इसके लिए क्या करें?
Fantastic, good, very good question. Whosoever has asked, and the whole I have called the word bet. I bet Amit ji. If you change your breath, if you empower your breath, if you empower your eating and exercising habits, and if you change your thinking, then your body's immunity will increase. Obviously, I'm advising you to eat the right kind of food, where I'm telling you, stop eating animal products and or also milk products, and also intake of salt or sugar is to be reduced. So
Okay.
subject to these conditions, if you go in for this way, there is no way that you will have any health issues remaining with you. So your first question was, how do you not get corona?
Yeah.
If your body's immunity is high, which is where your breath is good, quality of breath, what happens to breath? It is comes free. No, you don't have to do graduation to start breathing, from tomorrow.
Correct.
God has
Correct.
not put that condition on you. So breathing comes free and you don't need any effort. It is automatically happening. So
Yeah.
unless and until I get admitted in ICU, I don't worry about my breath. That's a challenge. So, but if you join Brahma Vidya and start practicing 8 spiritual breathing exercises, learn some meditation for 15, 20 minutes to start with, then these two areas, plus you don't add wrong food and therefore increase your body fat, cholesterol, inflation in the body. All these things are naturally taken away the moment you start eating the right food. So that is a way to avoid. And somebody does get, because of whatever reasons, he has a challenge, he gets this viral fever. Don't get panicky. Believe in yourself that there is a divinity within you. There is a divine healing power within yourself. So don't get panicky and eat paracetamol or eat any kind of medication to reduce your fever, because your body's temperature is going up because it's trying to defend. It's a natural result. When you're killing the army in terms of the germs, naturally the temperature will go up. And what are you trying to do? Taking paracetamol and trying to not allow the body to do its job. Okay, so don't do that. Just take a lot of water, so that your body has 70% water. you know So
Yeah.
you don't allow body to dehydrate. Take a lot of water. Take vitamin C in terms of, now don't take the tablets, but take a lot of juice, Santra Mosambi juice, and fast for 3 days, where we give a technique exactly what is the level of, how much juice to be taken, and some kind of raw food, raw vegetables like tomatoes and cucumber you can eat after second day onwards. And within 3 days, your temperature comes down naturally.
Right. Right.
अहमदनगर में एक हॉस्पिटल 12 बेडेड डॉक्टर विश्वरूप ने खोला है, जहां पे thousands of corona patients are getting cured in 3 to 5 days. Whatever be the oxygen saturated level is dropped down, etc., etc., with this natural treatment of this thing, which is not available to anybody's information. Unfortunate though,
Right.
Google also is not allowing any information to be spread and given to. But anyway, the
Yeah.
truth will always prevail. And my suggestion, advice to corona patients is, we have on the website this 750. You just enter one Google form, and then you, within 2 hours, you are given this service. Almost earlier we used to give free, but now some minor 500 rupees fees is charged by the Dr. Vishwarup Chatterjee, but he's doing a great job, in spreading this message. And recently, Ayush Ministry also has recognized his efforts, and we, the NICE experts, are now allowed to treat corona patients. So you are welcome. I would add that notification to my website also,
Sure.
and anybody facing the challenge is most welcome. I would definitely give all the support required.
थैंक यू सो मच सर. सर, जाते जाते हमारे व्यूअर्स के लिए कोई स्पेशल मैसेज आप देना चाहेंगे? दैट वुड बी ग्रेट.
Well, the quick message is from my side is, be your own doctor. Okay, I hope you don't take my words in the right context. In the sense, what I mean is, your brain, your body tells you when there is a pain, when there is a pain in the head, when there is a pain in the legs, then you need to rest. And so listen to that rhythm. Be your own doctor. And then take charge of your divinity within you. So you need to take charge of your breath, eating, exercising, thinking. And I have already shared the ways how you do it. And don't get panicky, be very happy, and be confident, so that you can very well be on the journey to a great health. Because when there's a divine power within you, so try to learn, experience that power within you by listening to your own breath. 5 minute का time निकालो सुबह before going to bed, and just observe your breath. What is meditation? Doing nothing in a thoughtless position, uh, which is a challenge to everybody, because it is said, I mean, 60,000 thoughts come to one's mind, and
या.
90% of them are negative. But what you do is just close your eyes, sit in a comfortable position, sit absolutely straight, and just watch your breath for 10 minutes. And then, if you, after 10 minutes, you will find you are most energetic. And why don't you do that every day morning and every day before going to bed? So, and eat the right food all through the day. Take stock of good habits, means every day what gets measured gets done. So, are you, if is health your top 100% top priority, then do these 3 or 4 things and take action. I'm always there to help you in whatever you are, wherever you're stuck, whether you are have difficulty in joining Brahma Vidya course, whether you have difficulty in eating the right food. Even though you may or may not join my course, I am always your friend. I would like to help you on these 3 or 4 areas.
थैंक यू सो मच विजय सर. इट वाज अ ग्रेट इंटरेक्शन विथ यू एंड आई एम श्योर हमारे व्यूअर्स को भी आपके साथ जो हमारा इंटरेक्शन हुआ इससे काफी बेनिफिट मिला होगा. एंड ऑफ कोर्स अगर कोई इंडिविजुअल बेसिस पे सर के साथ जुड़ना चाहेंगे तो ये टॉक को हम यूट्यूब में भी डालने वाले हैं. वहाँ पे सर का पूरा डिटेल्स रहेगा. फेसबुक लाइव में भी हम इसको ऑलरेडी चल रहा है, यहाँ पर भी हम लिंक शेयर कर देंगे. सो विद दिस फ्रेंड्स, थैंक यू सो मच. आज के लिए इतना ही. अगले दिन हम फिर से एक नए एपिसोड, एक नए इंस्पायरिंग स्टोरी के साथ आपसे मिलेंगे. विजय सर, थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू सो मच.
I am also grateful to you, Amit ji, for giving me your valuable time in this talk show and giving me opportunity to come live on Facebook and YouTube. A wonderful opportunity. You have really made my day also. Thank you so
Thank
much. And I'm grateful and glad that you invested your time in giving me to express my views. And that's it. Thank you so much.
thank
Have
you
a
so much.
great day.
Have a great day.